Today we are going to the Tamanique Waterfalls.
With our guide, Pedro.
Hola, Namaste.
This is Pubali.
This is Sindranil and we are Paradise Catchers.
We are an Indian couple living in Costa Rica and we bring to you stories about traveling and digital nomad life in Latin America.
Welcome to our channel again, Paradise Catchers. Today we are going to the Tamanique Waterfalls. So there are 4 waterfalls inside a private property, so we will be traveling there. We are staying near the Zonte beach, so we will have to take a couple of buses to reach Tamanique. And from the town, we'll probably have to take a guide and then explore the 4 waterfalls there. Waiting on the bus stop for our first bus. Our second ride, a shared taxi, $1 per person. So we ditched the bus and we are taking a taxi to Tamanique. We have reached Tamanique and we are now going towards the Tamanique Waterfalls. We'll have to hike quite a bit. The tour is around 3 to 4 hours. We are now walking with our guide who will be leading us to the waterfalls. There was an office in the Tamanique town where we spoke to the people and then our guide was allotted to us. We are constantly walking down the trail. It seems that it will take a while. We can't hear the waterfall yet. We are walking in the shade of the trees, so it's hot but it's not too bad. The first look of the waterfall. We are still on the cliff, but we'll have to go there. Well, it took us 40 minutes to reach this first waterfall. It's beautiful. The view is beautiful and it's so refreshing on a hot summer day. And there's a pool where you can just go in. After a fantastic swim in the pool, we are off to the next cascada. How was it? The adventure?
Technical trails.
And behind us, the 4th waterfall. An absolutely beautiful pool for swimming here as well. Feels like going in, but we already did once, so we'll give it a skip this time.
Let's go.
We had to climb down 90 stairs almost, but still the views were totally worth it. What do you say?
Yes.
This is the cliff just above the 3rd waterfall. But this is the best place to jump. No, I'm not going to jump, but this is the best place to jump if you want to, if you wish to. It's a bit sunny, so better if you can reach early. But if you are diving, nothing like that. The water is amazing, refreshing, and cool. Towards the end of the trip, the walk, the climb back was a little bit brutal because of the sun,
It's very hot.
but we survived. So now we are going back near the entrance.
We went for the Tamanique Waterfall hike with our guide, Pedro. He has been very nice. He has been very helpful. He was very patient while coming back. It was very hot along the way, so we had to wait. I had to wait a bit, but he patiently waited. And also, when we were swimming in the pool or were in front of the waterfall, he offered to take our photos and videos. He has been very nice. Muchas gracias.
Alright, after Tamanique, we are ready to go to our next destination, El Punco.